Hi, I'm Garrett from Crust, and I'm going to talk about the drop bar levers that we offer. First up is the hand sanitizer. It's just a simple, classic looking drop bar lever. It's short pull, so it'll work with a side pull brake or like a road brake, or it'll work with a cantilever brake. The reach on this lever is a little shorter, which some people may not like on a more modern bar because the ramps on them are a little shorter. But we'll run them on a modern bar and we don't really care. They're only available in black and silver. They're made in Taiwan and they weigh 218 grams. And they're just good for achieving that classic look and still having a lot of function. When I'm talking about reach with the brake lever, I'm talking about everything from where the stem clamps onto the handlebar forward. So if you have a bar with a more traditionally long ramp, like this Nitto handlebar, you may want to consider running a brake lever with a little shorter reach, like the hand sanitizer. Whereas if you have a handlebar like the Shaka bar that has a slightly shorter ramp, you may want to run a brake lever like the TRP lever that has a longer reach. But all that being said, this is all just a matter of opinion, and you can run whatever you want or whatever feels comfortable, whatever you want to do. Next is the TRP RRLSR. A lot of you will probably look at this lever and immediately love it, or you'll think, what the hell is going on with that thing? It's a short pull lever as well, so it'll work with a side pull brake or a cantilever brake. It's extremely ergonomic, and it's got this nice quick release on the side for if you're running a road brake or a cantilever brake and you get into some mud and you want a little extra clearance, or if you get a flat and you want an easy wheel removal. It's available in black lever and black hood, or silver lever with a silver hood. And it comes with these wedges. So if you don't run them, you'll get a mount like this with a little pocket, more of a traditional mount. Or if you do run them, it'll push the lever forward a little bit and you'll get more of a modern mount with more of a flat section on it. And then I believe this lever is 274 grams. If you have any experiences with any of these levers in front of me, or if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can give us a call at 804-442-3710. Thanks for watching.